Delicious mutton korma? So delicious! Ingredients: 1 cup dahi, 1 tablespoon adrak paste, half tablespoon namak, 1 tablespoon lal mirch, 4 tablespoon pisa huardania, 1 cube oil, 0 darchini lishi kali mirch long, 4 large piyaz, half kg mutton. Add oil. Add piyaz. Mix well until it's golden brown. Take it out. Fried piyaz. Add garam masala. Listen adrak paste. Mix well. Add spices. Mix well. Add mutton. Mix well. Cooked well. Cover it. Add fried piyaz in it. Add dahi. Cooked well. Cover it. Half teaspoon kara. Mazedar Qorma ready. Like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.